Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on eTonga from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. Thuli and Sanele are making progress with the water project and Aware the Business Forum is executing their rune. Ayanda returns home with no memory of where she went, making Ayanda or Nwanda deeply worried on Tuesday. Just as Thuli and Sanele think they have everything under control, they are dealt another blow. The Magwaza spiral into a panic when an unexpected occurs on Wednesday. Sanele put shocking plan in motion. Ayanda has a spiritual encounter on Thursday. Zama start to worry that Pinda might have some dark plans for Sanele. Nwanda tried to help Ayanda behind everyone's back on Friday. Thuli and Sanele's victory is short-lived. Ayanda delivers a chilling message to the Magwazas. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.